Welcome back to Blue Hills Bolts and Bondo. Today we're going to do a little more work on the Integra. I have a big crease in the back quarter panel that I'm going to address today. I got a stud puller and we're going to see how that does. Stay tuned. So this thing is brand new out of the box. I don't know how well it's going to work. I got it set midway on the heat. Imagine the metal on this car is thinner than some. So we'll just give her a start here and see how things turn out. Well, that's not very hot at all. So go up to the top. so thin. Roll that off. So we got one hole there. Well, the big crease is out. The holes are filled. I'm not going crazy on the grinding because the metal is thin. Actually, decided to keep going a little bit. There's a little low in here yet. I think it was probably enough that I didn't want to put that much filler in, so I'm going to try and get these up a little more. Weld and dent surface. I just grabbed a piece of 180 off my DA, just went around the edges. Now I got a fresh piece 180 on the block here. And I'm just going to scuff that a little bit. On this side, Bondo here. I just put a quick skim coat of Bondo on, and I tried a trick I seen online here. When the Bondo's wet, you just have your piece of tape and you contour it around, and it worked pretty good for smoothing that out. So just thought I'd add that in, and hopefully it'll help someone else out for shaping the Bondo. going to hit her with some 180 again, because it's a rounded surface. I'll use the tube here and see how that works. I will hit her quick with 220 on the block. Alright, we'll hit her with some primer. For those that are wondering, isn't that the same quarter panel I was working on the other day? Yes, it is. Why didn't I do this then? Well, I didn't have the stud gun at that time. And I'm picking away at this thing, just trying to get one piece done at a time, making it look a little better. And if I get it to the point where I'm really happy with the whole body, I will probably end up spraying the whole thing. So, if you think that looks better than the big old dent that was there earlier, like, share, subscribe, and keep watching. Hope to see you next time.